Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to solve the past paper of IGCSE. The main subject is mathematics, paper number 2, and also called that extended paper. The paper code is 1580 and paper version is 21. Which one is held in October, November 2024. The total time of this paper is 1 hours and 30 minutes. Question number 1. Our concern start at 19 hour 40 minutes and finish 2 hours 42 minutes later. Work out the time the concerned finish. Now we know that is 19 hour 19 hour 50 minutes. If we add 10 minutes from this in this time, means that it should be equal to, if we add 10 minutes in this time, so it is equal to 20 hours, and this remaining is 2 hours and 32 minutes because we add 10 minutes from this to this time. So the remaining is 2 hours 32 minutes. Add this number 2, 3 and 22. So the time the required time is 22 hours 32 minutes. Question number 2. Find the reciprocal of mixed form 1 by 4. First of all, 4 multiply with 1, 1 multiply with 4, add the numerator. Numerator is 1 divided with 4. So 1 multiplied by 4, 4 plus 1, 5 over 4. So the final answer is 5 by 4. Question number 3. Use one of the symbols less than, greater than or equal to make each statement true. So first is 2 by 7. So 2 by 7, that is equal to 2.2857. Okay, and other number is 0.286. This one is 286 and this one is 285. So this equation is less, so mark this symbol. Okay, and now 99 over 900. So if we cut with 9 1 is 9, 9 1 is 9 and 9 1 is 9. The remaining term is 11 over 100. So it is 11%. It should be written in fractional form, 11 over 100. So both are equal, put equality sign here. And now part 3. 1 raised to the power 3 means that 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1, and 4 raised to the power 0, remember that any number with power 0 that is equal to 1. So 4 raised to the power 1, that is equal to 1, and 3 raised to the power 1 raised to the power 3, it is also equal to 1. So both number have equal side, so put equality sign here. Question number 4. Safia has a piece of fabric of length, means that the piece of fabric having length is 5.6 meter. It is total length. She cut the fabric in two parts with length is 3:4. Calculate the length of the long part. Long part is 4. First of all, we add the given ratio. Sum of ratio is equal to 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. And now we have going to calculate the length of the long part. Right here, length of the long part is equal to, the length of the long part is 4 divided with sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio, that is equal to 7, multiply total length. Total length is 5.6. So first of all, 4 multiply with 5.6 divided with 7, that is equal to 3.2 meter. So final answer is 3.2. Question number 5. Work out part A. A into 6 and 4. So it means 3 multiply with both number, means that 3 multiply 6 and 3 multiply with minus 4. So 3 multiply with 6, that is equal to 18, and 3 multiply with minus 4, that is equal to minus 12. This is our final answer, 18, 12. Now these two vectors are added. So like this, 4 plus minus minus 7 and minus 1 plus 5. 4 minus 7, this is equal to minus 3. Minus 1 plus 5 is equal to plus 4. So the final answer is minus 3 and 4. Question number 6. The diagram shows a right angle triangle ABC and a quadrilateral AECD. First question, part A, find the values of x. Here is x. We know that x is on a straight line. So mark this angle. This is a semi-angle. So we know that the straight line, that is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus this angle 1 2 2, and that is equal to 58. So the x is equal to 58. And now we are going to calculate y. Where is y? This one. Okay, so to solve y, we use triangle, this one and this one, triangle A, B and C. So this is our triangle, and we know that the sum of angle of triangle is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus other angle. Other angle is angle A minus angle B minus angle C. So 180 minus angle A, this one is angle A, this is a perpendicular angle which is always equal to 90 degree, minus angle B is 34, minus angle C is 17, So solve these values and the final answer is 39. So y is equal to 39. Now find z, find the value of z. Z is here, this point is z. Now we use quadrilateral, the point is c, z, e and b. Okay, in quadrilateral there are 4 angle in quadrilateral. So sum of these angle in quadrilateral, that is equal to 360. So to find the values of z, 360 minus other angle is angle x minus angle b minus angle c. 360 minus angle x. Angle x is equal to 58 minus angle b is equal to 34 minus angle c is equal to 17. So solve these values, we get 251. So z is equal to 251. Question number 7. Factorize 28x minus 35. So 7 is only digit that have both numbers cover in a table. So we take common 7. 7's 4's are 28 and x is same, minus 7 5 are 35. So 7 into 4x minus 5, this is final answer. 7 into 4x minus 5. Question number 8. Edith invest $3,000 in a saving account. The account pays simple interest at a rate of 2.6 per year. Calculate the total interest at the end of 20 years. So first of all we write data. The first values is principal, which is denoted by with capital P, is equal to 3000, and simple interest at the rate, and rate is equal to 2.6, and the time is 3 years. T is equal to 3 years. So now we find that interest, the formula of interest, I is equal to P multiply R multiply T divided with 100. So I is equal to P. P is 3000 multiply R. R is equal to 2.6 multiply T. T is equal to 3 divided with 100. Calculate these values. That is equal to I is equal to 234. This is our final answer, 234. Now question number 7. The diagram shows a part of regular polygon. The interior angle of the polygon is 132 degree larger than the exterior angle. Calculate the number of sides of this polygon. First of all we calculate the exterior angle. We know that this is a straight line. So straight line, the angle on straight line, that is equal to 180. So x is 180 is equal to this angle, that is equal to x plus 132 plus x. 180 is equal to this x and this x, that is equal to 2x plus 132. So 132 shift on this side. 180 minus 132 is equal to 2x. 180 minus 32, that is equal to 48, is equal to 2x divided with 2. So x is equal to 48 divided with 2. So x is equal to 24. Now we have to calculate the number of side of the polygon. Okay, the polygon have total angle is 360 divided with number of side is equal to exterior angle, that is equal to 24. Now we have to calculate the values of n. So n shift in this side and 24 shift in this side. So 360 divided with 24 is equal to n. So 360 divided with 24, n is equal to 15. So the final answer is 15. Question number 10. Jacinda plays a game with her friend. She can win, lose. Number 1 is win, number 2 lose, or draw the game. The probability that she wins the game is 0.28. Part A. Jacinda is twice means 2 as like to draw the game as to lose the game. Work out the probability that she lose the game. Let us we consider that lose number is x. Let x be the loses game. So calculate first of all, total probability is 1. Total probability. Total probability is 1. The first probability is win plus second is draw, D for draw, plus and third is lose. Probability of lose is equal to 1. So win probability is given at 0.28. 0.28 plus probability of draw. The drawing probability is twice. So this is an unknown. The unknown value should be written in x. So 2x plus the probability of lose, that is also equal to x, is equal to 1. So 0.28 shift on other side. So other is the remaining is 2x plus x, that is equal to 3x is equal to 1 minus 0.28. So 3x is equal to 1 minus 0.28 is equal to 0.72 divided with 3x is equal to 0.72 divided with 3. So x is equal to 0.24. So the final answer is 0.24. Part B. Jacinda plays the game 150 times. Time means n. find the expected number of the win she win. So expected number en is equal to number multiply win probability of win. The number is 150 multiply win probability of win, that is equal to 0.28. 0.28. 150 multiply 0.28, that is equal to 42. So the final answer is 42. Question number 11. Without using a calculator, work out 5 1 by 3 minus 3 4 by 7. You must show all your working and give your answer in a mixed number and its simplest form. First of all, we solve this one. When we multiply with 3, multiply with 5, plus numerator is 1 divided with denominator, that is equal to 3, minus 7 multiplied by 3, 3 multiply with 7, plus 4 divided with 7. 3 multiply with 7, 15, 15 plus 1, 16 divided with 3, minus 3 multiply with 7, 21, 21 plus 4, that is equal to 25 over 7. Solve this one, we get 37 over 21. So use this one, is like 37 divided with 21. 21 is 21. Subtract these values, we get 16. So it is equal to 1 into upper number is this one, that is equal to 16 divided with 21. So the final answer is 1. This is a mixed form. Okay, 1 16 over 21. This is our final answer. Question number 12. Solve the simultaneously equation, must show your working. The first equation is 5x plus 6 is equal to 9. Say that this is equation 1, and 3x minus 2y minus 17, this is equation 2. We know that here is y, the coefficient of y is 6, and here is coefficient of y is 2. If we multiply this equation, with 2, that is, so 2y, multiply with 3, 2y multiply 3y is equal to 6y. So both number are equal, then we easily find the value of x. So multiply 3 with equation number 2. 3 into 3x minus 2y is equal to 3 into minus 17. 3 multiply 3, 9x minus 3 2's are 6. Y is equal to 3 multiply 17, that is equal to 51. Minus 51. So this is equation number 3. Add equation number 1 and 3. Add 1 and 3. The equation 1 is 5x plus 6y is equal to 9. The equation 3 is 9x minus 6y is equal to minus 51. So 9x plus 5x is equal to 14x, and 6y and plus minus 6y cancel with each other. So is equal to 9 minus 51 is equal to minus 42. Divide with 14. X is equal to minus 42 divided with 14. So x is equal to 42 divided with 14, that is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3. This x put in equation number 1. Put in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is this equation. 5x, x is equal to minus 3 plus 6y is equal to 9. 5 multiply 3, that is equal to minus 5 plus 6y is equal to 9. So minus 15 shift in this side. 6y is equal to 9 plus 15. 6y is equal to 9 plus 15, that is equal to 24, divided with 6. 24 divided with 6. So x is equal to 24 divided with 6, that is equal to 4. So here is y. So y is equal to 4. Final answer. Question number 13. A sequence has nth term 3n raised to the power 3 minus 1. Find the second term of this sequence. Second term means n is equal to 2. Okay, so put n is equal to 2 in this equations. So we let this equation, that is equal to an is equal to 3n square minus 1. Putting the value of n is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 3 into put 2 raised to the power 2 minus 1. So A2 is equal to 3, 2 raised to the power 2, that is equal to 4 minus 1. A2 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 minus 1, that is equal to 11. So A2 means that second term is equal to 11. So the final answer is 11. The table shows the first 5 values of the sequence A and B. The sequence A is this one and sequence B is this number. So first of all, we have to calculate the nth term. The nth term formula is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. First of all, a1, the first term is a1, that is equal to a1, and this one is a2. Okay, now we have to calculate the values of d. A1, first of all we calculate d. D is equal to a2 minus a1, that means the difference of first two terms. Second minus 1. The second term is minus 2, and first term is minus 6, that is equal to plus 6 because it is already in minus. So D is equal to 4. Put these values in formula. This one is the nth term formula. So an means nth term. A1, here is A1. So A1 is equal to minus 6 plus n, same, minus 1. D is equal to 4. Multiply 4 in this bracket. An is equal to minus 6 plus 4n minus 4. So an is equal to 4n minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. So the nth term of this sequence A, that is equal to that is equal to 4n minus 10. Now we have to calculate the second sequence. This is called sequence B. The first term is A 3 and second is the first term is 3, second is 17, third is 55, fourth is 1 to 9 and fifth is 2 5. This is too much gap between two numbers, so we calculate this number like in this form. The difference of this number, the difference of these number, 17 minus 3, that is equal to 14. Now difference of this number, these number, okay, 55 minus 17, that is equal to 38, and difference of these number, that is equal to 74, and difference of these number, that is equal to 1 to 2. And now again difference of these number, for 38 minus 14, that is equal to 24, and difference of these number, 74 minus 38, that is equal to 36, and difference of these number, okay, that is equal to 48. And now also difference of this number and this number, 36 minus this number, that is equal to 12, and also difference of this number, that is equal to 12. So this table show that this is the highest values, sorry, this is a too much gap between two numbers. So if we like that, the first term is 3 terms, right here terms is 3, 17, 55, 1 to 9 and 2 5 1. So like that we have to find the nth term of this sequence, okay. So if we generate a formula to like this, to n raised to the power 3 plus 1, okay, put the values of n is equal to 1, and 1 raised to the power 3, that is equal to 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to plus this term. Put n is equal to 2, n 2 into 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3, that is equal to 8, 8 multiplied 2, 16, 16 plus 1, that is equal to 17. The second term is 17. Like this you use all values one by one and give the given term, and result given term should be equal to like these nth term to use this formula. So 2 n raised to the power 3 plus 1. This is the nth term of this sequence. Question number 14. Question number 14. Two solid steel statues are mathematically similar. The similar statue has length is 12 centimeter and larger small statue has height is 12 centimeter and larger statue has height is 15 centimeter. The larger statue have a mass is 2.5 kg. It convert in grams, so 2.5 multiply with 1000, that is equal to 2500 gram. The density of steel is 8 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate the volume of the smaller statue. The density is given that density is equal to mass over volume. First of all, we calculate the volume of large statue. So VL means that large volume of large statue is equal to mass over density. The given mass is 2500 divided with density. Density is equal to 8. So volume of large statue, that is equal to 312.5. And we know that to calculate the volume of the smaller statue, the required formula is volume of small statue divided with volume of large statue, that is equal to height of small statue and height of large statue having power 3. So volume of small statue same and volume of large is 312.5 is equal to the height of small statue is 12 and large is 15. Overall power 3. So Vs divided by 312.5 is equal to, divided these values, we get 0.8 raised to the power 3. So taking raised to the power 3, that is equal to 0.512. So this number divide with Vs, we shift on other side, it will be multiplied with these values. So Vs is equal to 0.512 multiply 312.5. Multiply these values and calculate the answer. If we multiply these values, we get 160. The final answer is 160 centimeter cube. Question number 15. Student in class P take a test. These statistics show information about their marks. Lower quartile is 38, median is 53 interquartile range is 28, range is 21, and highest marks is 96. Draw a box and whisker plot to represent this information. First of all, we know that interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is larger quartile and Q1 is lower quartile. The interquartile range is 28 is equal to Q3 is same minus Q1 is lower quartile, that is equal to 38. So shift on this side, 28 plus 38 is equal to Q3. Add these values, that is equal to 66 is equal to Q3. Where is Q3 is 66. This small box, that is equal to 10. Okay, 62, 64, and here is 63. Draw this line. Okay, this one is Q3 and mark Q1 is 38. So this is a 38. This one is Q1. Okay, and now median is 53. The median is 53, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. Here is 51. So median is here. Okay, that is equal to median M. And now range is 81 and highest mark is 96. Where is 96? 96 is this one is 98 and this one is 96. This one is highest marks, यानी कि maximum, नहीं maximum. Okay, so we now the formula of range. The formula of range is equal to maximum minus minimum. The given range is 81 minus maximum is 96 minus minimum. So minimum is equal to 96 minus 81. Minimum is equal to 96 minus 81, that is equal to 15. So this one is 18, 16 and this one is 15. So draw this line. This is equal to minimum and use Hisper diagram like this. This is the Hisper diagram. Okay. Part B. Part B, student in class Q take the same test. For the class Q, median is 49 and the interquartile range is 35. Mark two comments comparing the distribution of mark for class P and with that of class Q. First of all, we compare median. The median of class P is 53 and median of class Q is 49. So first is median of class P is greater than median of class Q. That is, the median of class P is 53 and median of class Q, that is equal to 49, like that. And second comment is we compare interquartile range. The interquartile range of class P is 28 and class Q is 35. Interquartile range of class P is less than interquartile range of class Q. Okay, like this. Interquartile range of class P is 28 is less than interquartile range of class Q is 35. So this is our final answer. Question number 16. Question number 16. The diagram shows a sphere of radius is 6 centimeter. This is radius, that is equal to 6 centimeter. This is a sphere, and a cylinder of height is 18 centimeter. This is a cylinder with having height is 18 centimeter and radius with r. This is radius. The volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. Volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of the cylinder. So the given question is that volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. Calculate the curved surface area of the cylinder. Give your answer in term of pi. So first of all, we know that volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. So the formula of volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to volume of cylinder is pi r square into h, and 4 by 3 is same, pi. This pi cancel with this pi. The remaining is r. Here is a sphere. The radius of sphere is equal to 6. This one So 6 raised to the power 3 is equal to R is the volume of cylinder. So R is equal to capital R raised to the power 2 into H. The value of H means height, that is equal to 18. So calculate these values. We get 288 is equal to R square into 18. So 18 divide with on both sides. 288 divided with 18 is equal to R square. So taking square root on both sides, R square is equal to R2 divided with 18. Square cancel with square root, so R is equal to 4. Okay, now this R put in the formula of curved surface area of the cylinder. The formula of curved surface area is curved surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi R H. 2 pi is same because given answer in term of pi. So R, the R is 4 and height is 18. Calculate these values. 2 multiply with 4 and 4 multiply with 18, that is equal to 144 pi. So the final answer is 144 pi. Question number 17. Solve 2x square minus 7x minus 16 is equal to 0. You must show all your working and give your answer correct to the 2 decimal places. So here we use quadratic formula. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 7 and C is equal to minus 16. Use quadratic formula. X is equal to minus B plus minus square root B square minus AC over 2A. So X is equal to minus, putting the values of B is minus 7 plus minus square root B is minus 7 square minus 4, A is 3 and C is minus 16 divided with 2, A is 3. So X is equal to minus multiply with minus 7 plus minus 7 raised to the power 2, that is equal to 49, minus multiply with minus, that is equal to plus. 4 multiply 3 multiply 16, that is equal to 192 divided with 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. So X is equal to minus 7 plus minus sum of these values. We get square root 241 divided with 6. So x is equal to 7 plus minus, calculate square root 241, that is equal to 15.52 divided with 6. So x is equal to 7. Here put only positive values. 15.52 divided with 6 and separate negative values. X is equal to 7 minus 15.52 divided with 6. So x is equal to, calculate these values, divided with 6, we get 3.75, and also calculate these values, we get x is equal to minus 1.42. so the x is 3.75 and x is 1.42. Question number 18. G of x is equal to 4 raised to the power x plus 3. Find x when g of x is equal to 1. So the given function is g of x is equal to 4 raised to the power x plus 3. The values of g of x is 1 is equal to 4 raised to the power x plus 3. We know that any number with power 0, that is equal to 1. So base is 4. We also put here 4 raised to the power 0. 4 raised to the power 0, that is equal to 1. So 4 raised to the power x plus 3. Here bases are same. Then bases are same. So power are equal to each other. That is equal to 0 is equal to x plus 3. So 3 shift on this side. 0 minus 3 is equal to x. So x is equal to minus 3. And now find g inverse into 1 over 6. Let that this g inverse 1 over 16 is equal to x. Shift g on other side. So 1 over 16 is equal to g of x. 1 over 16 is same, is equal to g of x. The function of g of x is 4 raised to the power x plus 3. 4 raised to the power x plus 3. So 16 we should be written with power of 4 raised to the power 2, that is equal to 16, and 4 raised to the power x plus 3. And now this numerator shift on upper side, the power will be negative. So 4 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 4 raised to the power x plus 3. Bases are same, power equal to each other, then power equal to each other. Minus 2 is equal to x plus 3. 3 shift on other side. Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to x. So x is equal to minus 5. So we let that x is equal to these values. So g inverse 1 over 16 is equal to minus 5. So the final answer is minus 5. Question number 19. Here is a universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is a odd number. Then odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 is 3, 6 and 9. And square number is 1, 4 and 9. A. Find that P intersection Q and Q intersection R. First is a P. The set of P is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Intersection Q. The set of Q is 3, 6 and 9. Intersection R. The set of R is 1, 4, 9. Intersection means that the number which are same in all the set. The only number is 9 is same in all set. Here is 9 and here is 9. So the intersection of this question is 9. So the final answer is 9. And now part B, question number 1. Q union R. First set is Q. The Q is multiple of 3, that is equal to 3, 6 and 9. Union R. The set of R is 1, 4 and 9. Union means merge all the number in a set with ascending order. First of all, the smallest number is 1 and second smallest number is 3, then 4, then 6 and 9. Must write 9 is one time, not two times. Okay, the final answer is 1, 3, 4, 6 and 9. Question 2. Find N into P intersection Q union R complement. So we have to find the number in this equation. First of all, Q union R intersection. We have calculated this one. Q union R intersection means that U minus U means that the given universal set, that is denoted with this one, minus this set. This set is Q union R. The universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 minus QR, union of QR. The union of QR is this one, 1, 3, 4, 6, 9. So this is a difference of set, means that we write in the set without common number. So 1 and 1 is common, 2 not here, write 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 10. This is a complement. Now take intersection with P. So P intersection Q union R complement is equal to, the set of P is this one odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Intersection Q union R complement. This is a set. 2, 5, 7, 8 and 10. So take complement. Complement means that common number in this set. The common number in this set is, first one is 5 and second one is 7. So now we have to calculate these number n p intersection union R whole complement. How many number is 1 and 2? So the final answer is 2. Right here 2. Question number 20. The diagram shows two right angle triangle PQS and Q and RQT. PQR and QTS are straight line. Calculate the angle TQR. We have to calculate this angle, means that we have to calculate this angle. Okay, to calculate this angle we should have first this side of length. Okay, so first of all we use this triangle. Okay, using triangle SPQ. Okay, to find this triangle we use sine formula. Sine theta is equal to hypotenuse, perpendicular or hypotenuse. Sine theta, the value of theta is this one, that is equal to 28, is equal to perpendicular. The perpendicular is this side. Okay, which side is in front of perpendicular angle? This is a perpendicular angle. The front side is called this one is hypotenuse. The perpendicular is front side of theta. The front side of theta, that is equal to SQ. So perpendicular is SQ divided with hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is PS. So sine 28, that is equal to sine 28, that is equal to 0.46 is equal to SQ divided by PS. PS is equal to 18. So 18 multiply with this. So SQ is equal to 8.45. Like that, this length is equal to 8.45. This length, this complete length, 8.45. But we also have only this length. We use this length. So this total length subtract with this length, like that. The total length is SQ is equal to first part. First part is ST plus second part. Second part is TQ. The total length of SQ is 8.45 is equal to ST. ST is equal to 4 plus TQ, we know that. So 4 shift on other side, it will be negative. 8 minus 4.5 minus 4 is equal to TQ. So 8 minus 4.5 minus 4 is equal to 4.45 is equal to TQ. So this length is equal to 4.45. Now we able to calculate angle of T. So to calculate angle of T, use tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular. So this side is a perpendicular, that is equal to QR, and that is equal to 9, and base is this side, that is equal to 4.54, and T shift on other side, it will be inverse. Theta is equal to tan inverse into 9 over 4.45. So theta is equal to tan in use calculator, tan shift tan inverse into 4 over 4.54, that is equal to 63.69. So this is our final answer, 63.69. Question number 21. Solve the equation 3 tan x plus 5 is equal to 0 for 0 to 360. So the given equation is 3 tan x plus 5 is equal to 1. So 5 shift on this side. 3 x is equal to minus 4 divided with 3. Tan x is equal to minus 4 over 3. Now we are going to solve to find the reference angle. For reference angle, take inverse of this side. For reference angle, it will be equal to 4 by 3. So write tan x is equal to 4 by 3. Now find values of x. So tan shift on this side, x is equal to tan inverse 4 by 3. Use calculator, find these values. This is equal to 53.13. Okay, so we know that tangent yani tan x means that tan is negative in tan are negative in second and fourth quadrant. Okay, like this is a quadrant, first, second, third and fourth. This quadrant angle equal to 160, and this is 180, and this is 360. So subtract required angle with 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 53.13. So x is equal to 126.9. For fourth quadrant, x is equal to 360 minus 53.13. So x is equal to 306.9. So x is equal to 126.9 and 306.9. Question number 22. The graph y is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 1 whole power 2 is shown in the grid. Question number 1. Show that y is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 1 whole raised to the power 2 can be written as y is equal to x raised to the power 3 minus 3x plus 2. So given that y is equal to x plus 2 open square, we get x square plus 1 minus 2x. So y is equal to x multiplied with x square, that is equal to x cube, x multiplied with 1, that is equal to x, and this x multiplied with minus 2, that is minus 2x, that is equal to 2x square, and 2 multiplied with x square, that is equal to 2x square, and 2 multiplied with 1, 1 is 2, and 2 multiplied with minus 2x, that is equal to minus 4x. So y is equal to x raised to the power 2. So that is equal to 2 minus 2x square. This one is multiply this one, and so this, if we multiply 2 multiply with 2x, this is 2x. So this is minus and this is plus, then is finish. So my plus x minus 4x, that is equal to minus 3x and plus 2, hence proved. Now we have to show this one, x raised to the power 3 minus 3x plus 2. And now by drawing a suitable straight line, solve the equation 2x raised to the power 3 minus 5x is equal to 0. So the given equation is y is equal to this equation, y is equal to x raised to the power 3 minus 3x plus 2. The given equation is 2x raised to the power 3 minus 5x. So here is also x raised to the power 3. If we multiply with 2 in this equation, so here is also 2x, and also we get here also 2x. So multiply with 2, that is equal to 2y is equal to 2x cube minus 6x plus 4. Add these values with this equation, subtract these values. Okay, so 0 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 minus 5x. Subtract these values, plus minus, this is plus minus, this is minus plus. So this is equal to 2y is equal to, this one is plus and this one is minus, so cancel with each other. Remaining is minus 6x plus 5x, that is equal to 1x plus 4 divided with 2 we get y is equal to minus 1 by 2 x plus 4. In this equation, the required equation is like this: y is equal to minus 1 over 2 right here, y is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 2. So we make a small table: x and y. If we put x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 2. Where is 2? Here is 2. So draw a line like this. And if we put x is equal to 2, here put x is equal to 2, 2 minus 2 cut with 2 minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 1. Okay, where is 1? Is 2 and 1. The values of x is 2, this one, and values of y is this one. So the mark point is here. Here, this is point. So draw a straight line. This, and also draw a straight line here. Like this. Okay, so draw a line. Here, and also draw a line from here. So this one is equal to minus 1.6 and this one is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is plus 5. Okay, the required range is 0, minus 1 to minus 1.6 to 0, and 0 to 1 plus 5. Sorry, 1.5. First is minus 1.6 to 0 and 0 to 1.5. This is our final answer. Question number 3. This is our last question of this paper. X minus 5 raised to the power 2 plus k is equal to x square minus px minus 21. Find the values of p and q. So open the square formula here, that is equal to x square plus 25 minus 10x plus k is equal to x square minus px minus 21. So x square minus plus 25 shift in this side, minus 10x plus k is equal to x square minus px minus 21 minus 25. So compare the values of, we have to calculate the values of p. Compare the coefficient of, right here, compare coefficient of x. Compare coefficient of x. Here's coefficient of x is minus 10. Here coefficient of x is minus p. Minus cancel with minus, so p is equal to 10. So the values of p is 10. And now compare the constant term. The constant term is here k, and here is this one. So k is equal to minus 21 minus 25. So k is equal to minus 21 minus 25, that is equal to minus 46. The values of k is minus 46. This is our final answer. I hope that you will be able to understand these discussion. If you face any problem during this discussion, you will drop a small message with beautiful word in comment section, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.